When it comes to Halloween, celebs don't settle for a pointy hat and a splash of makeup, as these pictures show. The likes of Harry Styles, Maya Jama, Jaqueline, Jossa and Jade Thirlwall went all out with their costumes last night. Here, we run down some of the best outfits from 2021's spookiest night of the year. Jade Thirlwall and Jordan Stevens. Sexy Marge Simpson is a rarely seen costume most Halloweens, but Little Mix's Jade Thirlwall absolutely nailed it. Boyfriend Jordan Stevens opted to dress as Sideshow Bob, instead of Homer. He completed the look with the words "Die Bart Die" on his chest, just like the character as they were seen heading to Maya Jama's Halloween party. Holly Hagen. Jade would have done a double take if she bumped into Holly Hagen last night, because she was dressed as her former bandmate Jessie Nelson. Taking a major step in the American Halloween costumes don't need to be scary direction, she dressed as the Boys singer. The costume even won applause from Jessie herself, who wrote, "You look incredible, romantic face, romantic face, romantic face, heart." Jaqueline Jossa. It wasn't just Halloween party time last night, it was Jaqueline Jossa's birthday. The former EastEnders star decided to combine the two events with a huge fancy dress party in her home bar where she dressed as Cruella de Vil. She even had the 101 Dalmatians baddie's voice perfected as she wandered about the event snapping, "So don't." Maya Jama. Party host Maya Jama pulled out all the stops, and, most of the snakes, as she dressed up as Medusa. The serpent-haired monster from Greek mythology could turn people to stone with a glance, but she was probably more worried about the cold. Clad in a skimpy bikini and a floaty skirt, the TV star staked a claim for the best costume of the night. Harry Styles. Noted dress enthusiast Harry Styles looked sensational as Dorothy from The Wizard of Oz over in America last night. The former One Directioner performed at Halloween in New York dressed in the character's trademark sparkly red heels. Even the bulging biceps and tattoos couldn't overshadow the impressive effort. Ollie Murs and Amelia Tank. Singing superstar Ollie Murs and his fiancée posed for this entirely chilling picture, writing, "Halloween with a smile, Jack-o'-lantern." He was the Joker while his girlfriend came as Chucky, the murderous doll from the vintage horror movies. Don't have nightmares, folks. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.